Hi, it's Jennifer from Puddleby Farm Designs, and I'm going to be restyling my porch this morning. So come along. Thanks. I'll wash all of these, and we'll reuse them next year. And I'm happy to say that not one plant died this year. I kept them all alive. And yes, I am just sticking these down in dirt. That should be golden. This is paper wrapped, and I didn't mean to split the paper, but it split. But oopsie. Oh, 90s. It's kind of hot. It's a big game day. I'm supporting my school. I can't say the name of the school, but the colors are, you know, this kind of purpley burgundy color. And their mascot's a beautiful dog. Who's the most pampered dog on the planet. And I've told my family if there's reincarnation, I want to come back as that dog and be pampered. And get to go to all the football games for free. Oh, come on, separate. The only thing I don't like about using faux flowers is that it confuses the bees and the butterflies, especially the bees. It's some of the pollinators, and they come and they try to get the pollen off of some of the flowers, and I do feel a little guilty about that. But if I planted something outside, it's gonna die because I don't remember to water it. So I've got some changes coming in my life, and that may help that situation. But for right now, I'm not going to kill any plants if I can help it. So these I can reuse every year, and they're not going to die. So I know it's a lot of different pieces. Brian was having a sale, and he was selling just whatever he had left over, and so at a good price, and so I bought them. I had a sweet young mama come and decorate my porch with pumpkins, and it looks so pretty. She has a little one I saw in one of her advertisements, and I have a Ring camera, so I didn't watch her, but I knew she was out here doing it, and she did a great job. And I didn't have to lug the heavy pumpkins. I'll show them to you later. I kind of wish on the chrysanthemums I had gotten all one color instead of the mixed colors, but these are fine. These are fine. I can change them out if I want to, but you know what? It's really to be seen from the street. This is not the door that people even come in very much. Only people who don't know me come in this door. Everybody else comes in our kitchen door, and I will be decorating over there later, but I wanted to get this one done mainly because, as you can tell by all the traffic, I live on kind of a busy street, and we live in kind of an iconic house, and I wanted it to look pretty. People know this house, people grew up playing at this house, and I want it to look nice for people. Brian had some pear branches, and I wish I had gotten those too. I think they would have been pretty in here, but I got enough. I got enough to do 4. I have planters about this size on the other side that we got in a estate sale, and I keep saying I'm going to paint them, and I haven't. But maybe with the changes that are coming in my life, I'll have time to paint them. Have the strength to paint them. Who knows? All right, where should this go? It's kind of dark over there, so maybe we need some dark over here. This is what I got left. Light and twiggy. Light and twiggy is gonna go over here, and we'll put dark and potty over there. I want the twiggies coming out this way. This is so pretty. Oof, that would have made a pretty wreath. Pretty, pretty, pretty wreath. I think that's it. What do you think? Yes. Well, I'm not 100% happy with it. but we'll go for it for now. And maybe it'll grow on me, and maybe I'll see what's wrong. And maybe you can send me suggestions on what's wrong. Thanks for watching.